Starting in July of 2021, the United States Department of Energy is raising energy efficiency standards for pool pumps. Now's the time to learn how you can meet the new regulations and save money. Flow matters in pump performance. When pool water isn't circulating optimally, it can cause stagnant, dirty water and poor performance of water features and other equipment. That's why it's so important to choose the right pump. Pentair variable speed and flow pumps take it to the next level. They auto-regulate their speed to keep flow constant and performance maximized, so you can set it and forget it. When 2021 DOE regulations go into effect, don't be left waiting. The choice is crystal clear. Insist on Pentair.